Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will redraw Goku Super Saiyan 3 Split Super Saiyan 3 Blue from 2016, so 6 years ago. I really love the drawing, especially the hair looks great. I also love the proportions and the idea behind this drawing, but the only issue I have is the face. It looks kinda weird due to the eyes. The forehead is way too straight, and because of that, Goku has a kind of funny look. I also gave it the thick inking style back then, which really surprised me. Also, the skin colors are way too flat, but overall it's a great drawing and I can't wait to redraw it. By the way, prints of the new drawing are now available on Etsy, so get one. Let's get right into it guys. Hit like, subscribe, and I will talk to you in the end. Let's go. So guys, adding the last highlights to the blue side and then we are done. I think this drawing turned out amazing. As you can see, I gave both sides different skin colors due to the transformations. Super Saiyan 3 has a pinkish skin color and Super Saiyan Blue a more brownish. I think this way the separation is way more clear, and when we take a look at each transformation, we can see that both sides turn out amazing. I love how I colored the shades on the skin and the fact that I choose very strong and vibrant colors. The drawing really stands out, and when we compare this side to the old version, we can see once again a huge difference. I gotta say, once again, I really like both drawings. The new one looks like straight from the show, is drawn very clean, has no errors, and the face is looking much better. The old one is also great, as I said. I love the wavy hair and the blended colors. You can see that in my current drawing style, I like to use very strong shading and I don't blend very much on purpose, because coloring like this is way more eye-catchy and, as I said, looks like straight from the show. But maybe the shape of the hair looks better on the old drawing. But I think we can see the biggest difference in the quality of the drawing, and especially the drawing style has changed a lot. It's like two completely different artists drew both pictures, but 6 years is also a very long time to change. So I let you guys decide which one is better. Also let me know in the comments below what you think of this video, and subscribe if you are new. Like the video guys, and check out the info box for all the links to my materials, online shop, Instagram, real-time channel, Patreon, and much more. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next